once you invest in a multifamily asset, it's very hard to get your money back. It's not liquid, let's say, unless the property sells or unless you can find someone that is willing to buy your equity for you. I'm excited to tell you guys is there's other investment vehicles out there, and DeRosa Group created an investment vehicle that is a great complement to multifamily in a changing economy, short-term bridge debt. Let's say someone's buying a dilapidated property and they're going to fix it up and sell it, or fix it up and refinance a BRRRR strategy. They need some short-term bridge capital to get them from here to here. We're going to be providing an investment vehicle that's going to provide short-term bridge capital to developers and investors all across the country. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here, and I'm super excited to tell you guys about DeRosa Income Fund's first investment, this project. The benefit to investing in short-term bridge capital is it is liquid, because any investor that's borrowing short-term bridge debt is going to do their best to give it back to you as soon as possible. The money cycles back and forth on a regular basis. For that reason, when you want your money back, you can get it back.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click the link or go to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF to take the next steps and to hear more of what we have to offer.